So everyone to create by the website perfect URL structure. What do you mean by perfect URL structure for SEO? So I'm searching for Malaysian movie reviews. So you can see for URL structure. First I'm selecting for website. Why the website coming to first position? Why this website coming to first position? Any search engine to understand your website based on the URL structure. Based on the URL structure. Copy this URL. 123telugu.com. They give review for Malaysian Telugu movie review. 123telugu.com. They give review for Malaysian Telugu movie review. So URL structure, when people give the URL structure, can understand it by your keyword. What is my keyword? Malaysian Telugu movie review. Same like you can go for another website. Just we can open it, copy the URL. Everything you can open, you can check. Times of India, indiatime.com, entertainment, Telugu, what is that? Movie review. What is that? Malaysian movie review. This is all nothing but perfect URL structure. Perfect URL structure. So how to create URL structure for static website and dynamic? Coming to dynamic, any news portal. Coming to dynamic, any news portal. So I'm selecting for here. So what are the options are there? Copy the URL. For showing for Ankala sign in Big Boss 3. So my keyword understand by Google by using URL structure. When any website to ranking your website on search engine first page, the based on the first of all URL structure. First of all the URL structure. So how to create this type of SEO friendly URL structure? That mean by first you can log in for admin panel. Admin and password. Click for submit. In this, select any kind of YouTube channel videos. I don't have any content right now. I'm uploading only for YouTube content. Don't give any kind of television network like ETV, Gemini or G Telugu. Don't entertain by that kind of channels. Only which is uploading for best comedy and news. So in this, I'll select by anything, by news of election. Why this posting for 1 hour ago? I'm selecting for latest video. First of all, you can check the news title. What is that? MP Jaydev Galla aggressive speech in Lok Sabha. Go to admin. Click for videos. So my URL structure will be MP Jaydev will be speech on the Lok Sabha. Add video. What are the title you mentioned? First title, that is your URL structure will be create. Select your URL in this title. This will be political news. Copy the video. Video adding time. Always remember only select by the this 11 characters. 11 character with a special character only for 11. Exceed 11, more than 11, the year will be not play. After that, what are those mentioned by title and description and keyword? Right now, I'll give the option is called in this. Click for submit. Click for submit. We'll check where videos, political news. I'll check my URL. So URL structure will be how to create MP Jaydev Galla aggressive speech in Lok Sabha. Select it. Copy the URL. Paste it. See this keyword. What are the keyword? They mentioned by perfect URL structure. Any URL structure, don't use any kind of special characters. Means what are the title you have mentioned? What title you have mentioned? Don't use any kind of special character. Title, SEO title, description, and keywords. This will be search engine purpose. This will be URL structure purpose. Any dynamic, your title is called created by the URL structure. Any dynamic website, admin panel, what are the mention your title that is created by the URL structure. This is your SEO friendly URL structure. Next one, coming to static website. So static website, you can select here. So nothing but what is called about us, maximum, profile, services, and facility, 3D view, gallery, and contact us. So I'm clicking for gallery. What is the URL? Gallery.html. The showing for gallery.html. Suppose I'm changing here. Or showing for name for gallery. See panel. Go to home page. What's the name of gallery? File manager. Update underscore HTML. Index.html. Edit. Select your menu option. Photos. What the previous option? Gallery. Refresh. Just I'm updating here. So careful to watch. So what I'm showing here, contact us. I'm going to the contact us page. What is showing for here? Contact. So I'm going to page option call is contact.html. Click for edit. Check for exactly your structure. What I'm writing for contact us. So just scroll down. In this select option call is here. Now click for us. Now I can click for refresh. For showing for contact us. So any kind of static will depend on by the URL structure, that is called anchor text. But then it will be very easy to write proper title. So that is called static will be not mandatory to writing for your URL structure, but then it will be very important writing for URL structure. The total dependent by the admin panel. So what are the videos you can upload? Select your option call is videos. Add your videos with your own title, own YouTube URL. Click for title, description, keyword, writing for submit based on the categories. This is called paired URL structure for static and dynamic website. Static dependent by the cPanel, dynamic dependent by the admin panel.